How does a car engine actually work? Let's break it down, fast. Inside your engine, air and fuel mix together in a cylinder. A spark plug lights the mixture, causing a tiny explosion. Boom! That explosion pushes a piston downward, and that piston is connected to a crankshaft. The crankshaft spins as the pistons move up and down, turning explosive energy into smooth rotation. That spinning motion travels through the transmission to your wheels, making your car move. And this isn't just happening once, it's happening hundreds of times every second, across multiple cylinders. More explosions, more power, more speed. All of this is happening under the hood, fueled by gas, air, fire, and a little bit of engineering magic. And that's how your engine turns tiny, controlled explosions into motion. Like and subscribe for more.